Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a Citroen Xsara here, it's Picasso, 2006 plate. Just doing the rear brake light and a position lamp on the rear, which is a top bulb right there. The bulb you need is a 382 bulb, and that you can find that in the description as well and at the end of the video. Also, I've already removed it just to show you how it's done. So this is basically the whole thing. So what you got to remember is these bits here. So one on the top, one on the bottom. And if I show you, I'll put it back in. So if I'm going to just push it back in now, as you can see that lug there, that needs to locate. This one here is broken, so I'm not too bothered about that one. So if I line the top one up first and then slot it in and then push the whole thing in, that's it, you hear it click. Now on the inside you've got this cover right here, so you may have a cover on the top here as well. So that's on the outside here. You remove this one first and then you remove this one back, and on the inside you could see that clip right at the bottom. Let me just get an angle, right angle for this one. If I get a screwdriver. So what you've got to do first is, if you get a screwdriver, wedge the screwdriver in an angle and then push it up. And that's it. Oops, that's gone back in. That's it. So now you can see the whole thing is out, and then pull it down towards you. That's it. Now to do the bulb, it's easy again. So you've got two clips here, so 1 and 2, push them in, take the whole thing out. Just be careful you don't want to drop the lens, as I'm working on my own and recording, so it's a bit awkward. Now you can replace all the bulbs at the same time if you wanted to. So you got 380 right there, 380 right there. That's a 382, which is a brake light and the tail light. And the indicator bulb is, I think it's a 581. I'm not sure, I'll confirm that and I'll put that in the description as well. But now to put it back together, it is easy again. So if I slot it in, let it clip. And then that's the lug I was talking about, this one here. And that one right there as well. So I'm going to line it up now, slot the top in first. So I'll slot this one in first. And then I'll get the bottom one in lined up. Once it's lined up, you'll hear it click. That's it, that's all done. Could you just check the brakes for me please, 1 second? Switch the ignition on. Switch the lights on as well, yeah? Left stroke. That's it, lovely. Now you can see that one there is working and that one there is working. Let go of the brakes. Brilliant, thank you, that's all good. That's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And if you found this video useful, drop us a like, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And I am working on my own, so apologies if it was wrong, but you know what to do. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.